You're listening to Officially Live.
Yeah.
WSTU, the radio for the students. This is Officially Live, and I am Jordan Live.
On here with Charm City C.
All right.
That was just Usher with Good Kisser.
Right now, we're about to talk a little bit about some of the drama that's brewing up in the A. As we speak, the Real Housewives of Atlanta got into it this weekend. According to Media Takeout, somebody was about to get them hands laid on them. And we ain't talking about them prayer hands neither. Close sources report that Phaedra Parks snapped on Kenya Moore during a Housewife taping, and she continued to go off because Kenya Moore was talking about her husband Apollo, who's, everybody knows is going to prison. So Phaedra warned her, but Kenya Moore continued to, nitpick and go on and talk. You know how Kenya Moore does on that show,
yes,
or whatever. And I guess Phaedra was not having it. She tried to be the Southern Belle like she is, and just stay quiet. But she couldn't. She had enough or whatever. So she was over it. She was over it. She was about to snatch Kenya Moore's wig, but before she could scalp her, whew, Candy intervened and pulled her back. So what you think about that? The Real Housewives always got drama going down on their show.
I would definitely say that the Georgia Peaches do keep it turned up. I watch it from time to time. I love Miss Nene Leakes. I love Portia. Portia was actually at the awards.
She was?
And yeah, she was at the awards. She hosted with Snoop Dogg. And I don't know, man. Media Takeout, they're so messy. Like
Media Takeout is always, but don't we like a little mess?
We do like a little mess. But sometimes, okay, so I will admit, I do like a little mess, a little jokey joke, the kiki about. But this is what took me back from Media Takeout.
Yeah.
Let me put you up on a little.
All right.
So I was in the building. I was at the Hip Hop Awards this weekend, looking nice. I looked real nice, and I sat pretty close, and I got on Media Takeout, which I usually don't even go on, but I went on, and they had this article up about Portia, and they were like, "Oh, she was all over Snoop Dogg. She was being thirsty." And I
married
just was
man,
like,
mind you.
Yeah.
Snoop Dogg is married.
Yeah, and I just was like, but she wasn't though. And like all the photos that they had of her were just photos of her when she was hosting with him, when he was asking her questions. But since he was making her laugh, and she had hugged him, they took the photo from when she had hugged him and was like, "Oh, she being thirsty,"
and made a whole story out of it. That's how it would be.
Yeah, whole story out of this. I was like, if you aren't there, or if you just look at the photo, they even were like, "Oh, Ray J was about to fight somebody in the audience," and I'm like, I was sitting very close to Ray J. Ray J just left. Like after this, when the show was about to be over, Ray J just left. They had a picture of him pointing to someone. They're like, "Oh, he's about to fight." So I was just like,
so because when you married. And even if you're not married, when you're in a relationship of some sort or whatever, and you got a partner and you hugging other females, you're supposed to leave a little space for Jesus. You're supposed to leave that. Everybody know about that little gap in the middle where you're supposed to leave a little space for Jesus. So did she leave a little space for Jesus?
It was so much space. I could have been in between the hugs. So
well, that's all that matters.
It wasn't even something that. Like I said, Media Takeout, they just so messy. But I mean, we
y'all watching it, y'all clicking on
it. The messiness.
Y'all going on there. I blame my friend Tiana because I never even heard about Media Takeout before her. She was in school. We in class. I'm so what you doing over there? What you doing? I'm on Media Takeout. What's that? Ever since been hooked.
Yeah, World Star is my guilty pleasure. Because a lot of times Media Takeout won't even have photos. Like you'll try go on and look, and it won't even be like a real. It'll be like a link. Yeah, it'll be like a link to something else. But I mean, it sells. Drama. What Big Sean say? Drama makes for the best content.
Yep. What's your favorite World Star video?
My favorite. Wow,
that is mine. I got mine. I know y'all probably thinking of it too.
My favorite word. That's that. I might have to come with.
Sharkeisha, no.
Oh, that's
Sharkeisha.
You like the violence? I mean, man, y'all.
Come on, y'all like that violence.
I might have to
Everybody
answer that question.
For Sharkeisha.
I might have to answer that question after the break.
Sharkeisha, no.
Best World Star.
She's supposed to be hitting folks.
I would definitely say I go on the World Star to watch the Vine comps.
Yeah.
Lately they haven't been much, but the Vine comps definitely definitely have me in okay. The NFL mean tweets edition. That's funny.
When
those
they
are
translate them,
those are
that's
so
the best.
hilarious. So anything that's like corny, little jokey joke,
or Sharkeisha, come on,
or
let's be real.
Or Sharkeisha.
We was loving Sharkeisha.
Charm City C will definitely be listening and definitely be watching, and I just think that's how it goes. So we're gonna keep it locked. We got some more hits going on for y'all. We might swing in and get some what you want to hear, Jordan?
I don't know what the people want. We already played Beyonce for you. We done played some Bobby Smyrna for you. You got to call in or something. I don't know what you got to do, but keep it locked because To Be Honest Tuesday is not over, and we have all the To Be Honest clips. They're crazy. Okay, the first To Be Honest ever, and it's off the chain today. So you make sure you stay tuned. But right now we're going to pick up on a new song. What you want?
I think I'm feeling throwbackish. I think I'm gonna play that Gin
Throwback?
and Juice by Snoop. So I'll keep it locked to WSTU.
Uncle Snoop.